Hi, I'm Laura. Thank you for joining me. This is an alignment tutorial on a pose called Upward Facing Dog. So it's quite a common pose, and you've probably seen it a lot as part of sun salutations. It's kind of a progression from Cobra, so it's a deeper, kind of stronger bend. So if you're looking to kind of increase your back bending flexibility and your upper body strength, then Up Dog is really an important pose. So I'm going to demonstrate it for you and just go through some common mistakes and some things to think about while you're in the pose to have good and safe alignment. So first off, I'm going to show you how to set up upward facing dog correctly from chaturanga. It's what it usually follows in sun salutations. So we'll begin in a plank, hands are shoulder width apart, belly's pulled in, shoulders are stacked over the wrists. So as we exhale to chaturanga, we're going to bring our arms to a right angle and lower down. So we're going to hover here and then push ourselves forward by rolling forward onto the tops of our feet. So now we're in upward dog. So upward dog, you want to think about pushing your chest forward through your arms. Keep the shoulders down, press into the hands, belly's pulled in, tailbone lengthening towards the heels, and extending out through both legs, pulling up the kneecaps and looking up. So in upward dog, you're aiming to create a nice, even bend. So rather than kind of overly focusing on cranking your bend in as deeply as possible, think about extending out through the body, extending out through the spine, and making lots of space between all the vertebrae. So you want to create as even a curve as possible. So think about also keeping the chest open. You kind of think about broadening the collarbones. Draw the shoulder blades down the back to keep the shoulders away from the ears. You want the neck nice and long. Think of the spine as being one long line of energy from the top of your head, kind of all the way down to the tips of your toes. So everything is very much engaged. Also, the knees, sometimes people think that the knees have to be quite a big distance away from the mat. They don't. They're just kind of hovering. There's maybe an inch or something between the knees and the mat in upward dog. Think about pushing the hips forward as you roll forwards from chaturanga. So it's almost like you're kind of swinging your hips forward through your arms, pressing your chest through your arms and creating that nice open bend. So some common mistakes to avoid: try not to let your shoulders scrunch up. Try not to bend the arms. We're really pushing into the palms, straightening up through the arms, pressing the shoulders down, keeping everything strong and open. Also, try not to kind of let yourself collapse forward. Think reaching up with the chest, lifting it up towards the ceiling. So I hope you found that helpful, just breaking down a few of the points about upward dog. It's an important pose and can really help increase your back bending flexibility. So let me know how it goes. Let me know if that's useful and hope to see you soon. Thank you very much.